Okay, we're going to work on that door panel. So cleaning the entire door panel plus the door jambs and making sure that everything looks pretty decent on that door. It doesn't take very long. When you're on a detail, you want to maximize your time. So the best way to do that, especially on a clean vehicle like this, is do as much as you can to touch up. So that's what we're going to do. Let's see how long it takes. This vehicle is actually very clean, and I'm just taking my time during the process so that you can see how everything goes. So as you could see, the process is relatively quick. It's relatively simple. I took it slow so that you could keep track of what I was doing. What took my time was moving the camera. That's the biggest challenge. So I hope this has helped you in some way. Some are not very clean and you have to really get down and dirty, and that can lengthen your time. But in the end, try to maximize the time that you spend on a section. So I hope this helps, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.